Struggling to fall asleep? Or waking up at 2 a.m. staring at the ceiling, mind racing? You're not alone. Millions of people are stuck in a cycle of poor sleep, reaching for melatonin or sleep aids that leave them groggy and drained. But here's the good news: you don't need melatonin to get deep, restful sleep. In today's video, I'll share 5 natural, non-habit-forming ways to improve your sleep, starting tonight. Welcome to day 5 of our 7-day natural wellness reset here on Awesome Naturales, your go-to space for healing, harmony, and natural health. If you've been loving this series, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you never miss a day of feeling naturally better. Number 1. Magnesium, nature's calming mineral. Let's start with one of the most overlooked yet powerful sleep minerals, magnesium. It plays a key role in calming the nervous system and regulating melatonin naturally. There are different forms of magnesium, but for sleep, magnesium glycinate and magnesium threonate are your best bets. They help reduce muscle tension, quiet the brain, and promote relaxation without sedating you. You can get magnesium through food, like leafy greens, pumpkin seeds, and dark chocolate, or take a supplement about 1 hour before bed. Bonus tip: soak in an Epsom salt bath to absorb magnesium through the skin and relax before bed. It's like a warm, mineral hug for your nervous system. Number 2. Set a sleep-wake rhythm, no devices after 9 p.m. Your body loves rhythm. One of the biggest sleep disruptors today? Light, especially blue light from phones and screens. Start winding down at least 1 hour before bed. That means turning off Netflix, putting your phone away, and dimming your lights. You can even wear blue light blocking glasses after sunset if you must use screens. Try a wind down ritual: herbal tea, journaling, stretching, or reading a real book. Doing the same things every night signals to your body, it's time to sleep. Aim for consistency, go to bed and wake up at the same time, even on weekends. This helps reset your circadian rhythm and improve sleep quality naturally over time. Number 3. Herbal Helpers, lemon balm, passion flower and chamomile. Instead of reaching for melatonin, try calming herbs that support your nervous system and help you drift into sleep, without forcing it. Lemon balm reduces anxiety and promotes a sense of calm. Passion flower quiets mental chatter, great if your brain won't shut off. Chamomile is a gentle classic, known to soothe the digestive system and calm nerves. You can blend these herbs into a nighttime tea or find a high-quality tincture. Sip about 30 to 60 minutes before bed. These herbs don't sedate, they nourish. And that's the difference. You're not knocking yourself out, you're supporting your body's ability to rest. Number 4. Blood sugar balance equals better sleep. Here's a surprising sleep tip: what you eat during the day, and especially at dinner, affects your sleep quality. When blood sugar crashes during the night, it can trigger cortisol spikes and wake you up. The fix? Eat balanced meals with protein, healthy fats, and fiber throughout the day. And don't go to bed hungry. If you often wake up at 2 or 3 a.m., try a small protein-fat snack an hour before bed, like a spoonful of almond butter or a boiled egg. This helps stabilize blood sugar and keeps your body in rest mode instead of survival mode. Remember, sleep is not just about what happens at night, it starts with how you fuel your body during the day. Number 5. Breathwork plus nervous system reset. Sometimes the mind is tired, but the body is tense. That's where intentional breathing comes in. One of my favorite techniques is the 4-7-8 breath: inhale for 4, hold for 7, exhale for 8. This pattern activates your parasympathetic nervous system, also known as rest and digest mode. It lowers heart rate, reduces cortisol, and prepares you for deep sleep. Combine this with legs up the wall pose or gentle stretching for 5 minutes before bed. It helps release physical tension and tells your body, you're safe. You can rest now. Sleep mindset shift. Let's recap the 5 ways to sleep better, without melatonin, Magnesium, calm your nerves and support natural melatonin. Sleep-wake rhythm, reduce blue light and follow a wind-down ritual. Calming herbs, like lemon balm, passion flower, and chamomile. Blood sugar balance, especially in the evening. Breathwork and body calm, to signal safety and rest. Sleep is not just a nighttime thing, it's a full-body conversation that starts the moment you wake up. These tools help you shift from fight or flight into true rest and repair. You deserve deep, natural sleep that leaves you energized, not groggy. Which of these tips will you try tonight? Let us know in the comments. And if this video helped you, hit like and subscribe for more wellness tools every day. Be sure to grab your 14-day high-protein hormone balancing meal plan linked below. It includes easy-to-make meals, breakfast, lunch, dinner and snack as well as the recipes for each meal. Vegan and African alternatives as well as grocery list and tips to help you succeed. Thank you for watching and check out other videos on our channel for more health and wellness tips.